So as I mentioned in my other video, if you have a case involving a child, like a lawsuit, personal injury lawsuit, and the child was injured, the court is going to require, at least in California, that the money be put aside or there's some safeguards for the child. They want to make sure that the money isn't going to be taken by the parents or the lawyer or anybody else in the case. So there's a lot of paperwork that has to be filled out for the court, and they'll approve how the money is going to be used. Typically, it could be put into a blocked account until the child turns 18. It could be an annuity, or there could be other structures set up. So here, this person's asking that their child is disabled, nonverbal, and fully dependent on them for care long term. That's totally, fine. And as you can imagine, for a lot of children, they're fully dependent on their parents. But the court is still going to want some sort of safeguard showing that the money is going to be used for the child. And oftentimes they're not going to give money unrestricted to the parent that was meant for injuries that the child has. So one of the ways that I've seen them do this in a case like this is they ask, depending on the amount of money, they'll have the parent or the attorney set up what's called a special needs trust. And that's a special trust where the money is put into and can only be used for certain items. There's a whole list of things that can be used for, but it has to be used for the benefit of the child and can't be used for something else. And what the court is trying to avoid is that there's a child that's injured, there's a big settlement, and then all of a sudden the parents are buying clothes or a new car or things that don't necessarily benefit the child.